Ladies and gentlemen, car lovers and classic ride fanatics, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a time machine and cruising straight into the late 1950s, an era of chrome, curves, confidence, and pure American automotive artistry. And the star of today's deep dive review is none other than the 1959 Buick LeSabre, a car that didn't just roll off the assembly line, it made an entrance. Dressed here in a sleek and elegant olive color, this machine screams vintage luxury with just one look. So buckle up as we take you through the full in-depth review, its exterior, interior, performance, and what prices look like today if you're planning to own one of these masterpieces. There's a lot to unpack, so let's roll right into it. Exterior. If you've ever wondered what automotive design looked like when imagination wasn't restricted by aerodynamics, fuel economy, or regulations, this car is the answer. The 1959 Buick LeSabre is a full-size beauty that represents the bold, futuristic styling of the late 50s, and in this olive shade it looks even more refined and unique. Right from the front, the massive chrome grille grabs attention. It stretches wide, giving the car a confident stance, almost like it's smiling with pride. The quad headlights, positioned high and aggressively, frame the front end like jewels in a crown, hinting at Buick's desire to blend luxury with presence. Moving along to the sides, the first thing you notice is the length. This car is long, low, and wide, just as American cars were meant to be back then. Every panel dips and curves in a way modern cars simply don't replicate. The side sweep spear, Buick's signature design cue from the era, cuts across the doors with a metallic swipe, adding contrast to the olive paint. This trim piece alone is a work of art, stretching elegantly from the front fender through the door and tapering toward the rear. It gives the LeSabre a sense of motion even when parked. And then, the rear. The most iconic part of the 1959 LeSabre's design has to be the canted fins. Unlike other brands that went strictly vertical or horizontal, Buick angled their fins outward in a dramatic V-shape. Paired with the round, jet-inspired taillights, the car looks like a space-age concept rather than a production vehicle from 65 years ago. The chrome bumper wraps around heavily, finishing the design with shine and presence that today's plastic-laden cars simply can't match. Fitted with wide white-wall tires and polished hubcaps, the LeSabre looks incredibly regal. Every angle feels extravagant yet purposeful. Painted in olive, and the car gains a mature, crisp, military luxury blend, almost like it's commanding respect but still showing off. Interior. Open the door and you're greeted by what can only be described as a vintage living room on wheels. The 1959 Buick LeSabre interior is spacious, very spacious, because this was an era when cars were designed with comfort first, everything else later. Slide inside and you're surrounded by soft vinyl upholstery and wide bench seats that can easily fit 6 adults without any elbows touching. The olive exterior blends perfectly with the interior, which often came in coordinated green, beige, or two-tone designs, enhancing the unified look. The dashboard layout is equally fascinating. Instead of modern screens and digital clusters, here you get a sweeping gauge pod with jet-age styling. The speedometer is horizontal, stretching left to right like a ruler, something Buick experimented with heavily in the late 50s. Each needle and knob feels mechanical, tactile, and beautifully crafted. There's a sense of durability here, like everything was built to last decades. Chrome trim decorates the dash, the door panels, the steering wheel spokes, you name it. Buick wanted you to feel surrounded by metallic elegance. Speaking of the steering wheel, it's massive by modern standards, thin and beautifully shaped, giving that old-school luxury vibe. The horn ring is polished, the Buick emblem sits proudly in the center, and every turn of the wheel feels deliberate. As for comfort, the LeSabre doesn't disappoint. The bench seats are soft, almost couch-like. The suspension and sound insulation of the era give passengers a floating sensation. The car glides more than it drives. Legroom and headroom are generous in both rows, it's the kind of car where long road trips actually felt relaxing, not cramped. While luxury tech wasn't anything like today, the LeSabre did offer impressive features for its time, heater and defroster controls, AM radio with a beefy speaker, optional power steering, power brakes, and even power windows on higher trims. Everything inside evokes that nostalgic charm of a bygone era where simplicity and style were perfectly balanced. Performance. Now let's talk about what powers this majestic cruiser. Under that long, dramatic hood sits Buick's famous, nailhead, V8 engine. For the 1959 LeSabre, most models came equipped with a 364 cubic inch V8, delivering around 250 horsepower depending on configuration. For the late 50s, this was plenty of muscle for daily driving, long stretches of highway, and even a bit of spirited cruising. Buick engines from this period were known not only for their power but also for their reliability. The nailhead design gave strong low-end torque, which made the LeSabre feel smooth and responsive from stoplights despite its size. Paired with Buick's Dynaflow automatic transmission, the driving experience is buttery smooth. Dynaflow wasn't about quick acceleration, it was about refined motion, no harsh shifts, no jerks, just a seamless flow of torque. If you're looking for sporty performance, the LeSabre isn't that type of classic. But if you want a smooth, graceful, almost gliding ride, this car nails it. Steering is soft thanks to power assist, and the brakes, though drum brakes, are strong enough for the era. Handling is predictable, with that signature boat-like sway American cars from the 50s are known for. The suspension absorbs bumps like a pillow, making the car ideal for long-distance cruising rather than tight city driving. Fuel economy. Let's just say the '59 LeSabre wasn't designed with efficiency in mind. Expect around 10 to 12 miles per gallon, maybe a little higher if tuned perfectly. But this car isn't about numbers, it's about experience. Every drive feels like a special occasion. Prices. Now let's talk money. What does it cost to get your hands on a 1959 Buick LeSabre today? Prices vary a lot depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality. A project car, rusty, incomplete, or needing mechanical work, can start around the $6,000 to $10,000 mark. These are cars that will need significant investment but offer great entry points for enthusiasts wanting to restore a classic from scratch. A running, presentable driver quality LeSabre usually ranges between $18,000 and $28,000. These examples have good paint, clean interiors, and are reliable enough for weekend drives. They may not be show perfect, but they look great, run strong, and catch attention everywhere. For a fully restored, well-preserved, or collector-grade LeSabre, especially one in an uncommon and elegant color like olive, you could be looking at anywhere from $35,000 up to $55,000 or more. The more original the parts, the better the chrome, paint, and mechanical condition, the higher the value climbs. Limited edition trims, rare factory options, and pristine interior details can raise the price significantly. And since late 50s American classics are rising in desirability, the 1959 LeSabre is becoming more sought after each year. It's a car that represents a bold era of design, making it a favorite among collectors who want style, presence, and that unforgettable space-age flair. So there you have it, a full deep dive into the legendary 1959 Buick LeSabre in its stunning olive color. From its dramatic, futuristic exterior to its spacious vintage interior, from its smooth V8 performance to its rising collector values, this car is a rolling piece of art. It's not just transportation, it's history on wheels. If you love classic cars, this one truly deserves a place in your dream garage. If you enjoyed the review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more iconic rides, and drop a comment telling me which classic you want to see next. Until then, stay classy, stay curious, and keep cruising.